Jacobson, Marketing Artfully. Today we're going to do something super fun, and we're going to look and see what Google and the internet thinks our websites are about. And I do this because I used to do SEO for websites, and I would come upon a website and they would say, I want you to do SEO, and they would say, this is what my website's about, and I would do this little tricky search thing, and the internet would reject them. They would say, no, that is absolutely not what your site is about. So first off, let's go ahead. I'm in the Google AdWords, the keyword planner, and you have to have an AdWords account to do this. So you have to have an AdWords account. That's just how it is. But then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to put in my landing page, Marketing Artfully. And you can do this for any page on your website. I'm doing it for my whole website. It's kind of fun to see what they think your website is about. So oftentimes you have to push twice, and I will be right back when I have it pulled up. And there we go. So it feels like my site is about business marketing gifts, which is interesting. I don't know why. Christmas gifts for business owners, interesting. Business marketing products is excellent. Company logo gifts, gifts for business owners. Etsy product photography, thank the Lord. Now we're getting into things that I do. Unique marketing gifts. Now, so what does this mean? Number one, it means that I want to make sure product photography course online. Those are all product photography classes, all that. But one of the cool things that happens is Google already thinks that my site is about business marketing gifts. So if I wanted to do an affiliate post and try to do that for Christmas, that would be awesome. So you can find a lot of fun things. There's 1,100 keywords. You can do fun things like by the average searches per month. So this is the highest to the lowest. So it likes me for photography courses, which is a huge affiliate marketing post I did. So great. It likes me for promotional items, and I only have one post on that. Etsy shipping, yay. So I really feel good about it. Now there's another site called SEMrush that's super awesome. And what they do is they will do a search for you for different things, like who are your main organic competitors, mean who are your real competitors in Google for those same keywords. And that's fun to look at. But today we're going to look at the top organic keywords. And so they are saying that my top organic keywords are, drumroll please, and I can export them, which is awesome. And this is with the free one, so this is great. So goals quotes, 18,000. I'm in position number 5. I love that it's telling us. You can also find out what position you're in on the Google Search Console. But age demographics, I rank really well for age demographics. I rank well for scary quotes because I do Halloween quotes, John Wooden quotes, all kinds of quotes. Demographic examples, real estate postcard ideas, yay, that's one of my best realtor posts, and then customer demographics and all that. I accidentally ranked for that. I can't help it. I haven't been, I guess I could delete the post if it really bothered me. But I would rather be ranked for other things, but that's good. But you can see I'm ranked for kind of the things that I wanted to be ranked for. Now, I thought it would be fun to do on a little bit smaller site. My Paperly People site gets between, 5 and 10,000 hits a month, so it's smaller. I get 50,000 plus hits a month on Marketing Artfully. So this is what Google thinks it is about. So the Arc Planner system, which I've tried really hard to rank for. Arc Notebook. Arc is the staples version of a customized planner. So I rank really well for lots of those things. What does that mean? So I could put affiliate products on it for Arc. I could do more videos and hook to it. I could customizable notebooks and start to try to rank for other things, disc planner systems. So you can try to find keywords that are going to help all the posts in your site rank. And on SEMrush, they say it is bullet journal keywords. Bullet journal key? Oh, bullet journal key. Duh. It's a key for bullet journals. Still haven't helped you know what it is. It's like the legend where you put what the little marks are. Planner dashboard, Monday through Sunday planners as opposed to Sunday through Saturday planners. So you'll see all the different things. What is a planner dashboard? This is really excellent for making sure your website is ranking for what you want it to be ranking for. Now, this is my babyest site. I probably get less than 1,000 hits per month on it. I've just sort of started working on it. But the nice thing is it's all about photo props and photography backdrops and photo backgrounds. That's what this site is about. It's not about newborn photography props, unfortunately. Baby photography props are really big, and so it's more about food photography props and maybe desk. But I like the direction that's heading. And then here is what SEMrush says. And they say it's about antique photo props, which is so on the money. Now I'm number 55 because it's a little tiny site. I don't have a blog post that says antique photo props. I haven't done the work, so I don't get the glory. But if I wanted to do things, I could do, so if I want to rank for antique glass flower frogs and put links to my Etsy store to those flower frogs, I could absolutely do that. And I would probably rank really well because I haven't ever actually written a post about it. So that shows you some of those really low-hanging fruit things that you can do to rank easily for keywords. So all in all, I'm really happy with where they are. I will tell you that in the past, I haven't been so happy. Like I've done this for Marketing Artfully, and it was all about mindset and thought and this and that. And that isn't what I'm trying to rank for. I'm trying to rank for marketing. So doing this test on your site every once in a while, just to make sure that you're ranking for the right things, is really a good idea. Hopefully that helps. If you like videos like this, please make sure to like this video. And if you want to see more like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Tara Jacobson, Marketing Artfully.